Hey, we have a Lexus GX470 fog light retrofit completed today. We've been doing a lot of GX470 headlights, and we had a return customer ask us if we could do something for the fog lights. We've seen these done before, and a lot of the kind of do-it-yourself kind of YouTube videos and whatnot tell you to basically cut the backside of the housing open and mount it directly to the plastic housing itself. The problem with this is that it's not really adjustable, and if you have any weight shift or you're carrying a different load, you will need to properly aim the fog lights. You don't want them to be pointing up in the air. So the way we retrofit these, we remove the front lenses. These are perma-sealed housings, so they're a little bit tricky to get open, but we're able to open it, replace it with butyl rubber, so they're easily serviceable in the future. And then we also utilize the factory reflector bowl and mount the LED pods to the bowl itself. So this conversion retains all factory adjustments, so you can aim these up and down. So that's a really big benefit of utilizing the reflector bowl and not actually hard mounting them to the plastic housing themselves. We're going to cut these on. This customer wanted the Diode Dynamics SSC2 LED pods in yellow. The yellow color obviously cuts through inclement weather a bit better than white, but the SSC2s are offered in both white and yellow, and at two or three different power levels. These are the sport, so these are kind of the entry level SSC2s, but there are some higher power levels available as well. We also painted the chrome bowl for the fog light black, just to kind of match the black housing of the SSC2s, just to kind of give it a more uniform look. And we left the internal kind of greenish chrome bezel as is, just to give it a little bit of contrast. We felt that blacking everything out would kind of hide everything in there, so this kind of contrast here is pretty nice. And of course, these are built on aftermarket, like OE style fog light housings. We can work with your OEM housings, but given the low cost of these new replacement housings, it made more sense for our customer to just go with a brand new set, have no downtime on the vehicle either. So if you want to order a set of custom fog lights for your GX470, you can visit us online at VisionAutoworks.com. We have a headlight package and now a fog light package for this vehicle, so you can outfit basically the whole front end of the car, get some upgraded headlights, and then get some fog lights to complement the upgraded headlights. If you have any further questions, you can reach us by phone or email. Our contact information is on the website.